Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel PCM with Ishuraj Gupta. This is Pankaj Gupta. Today I am going to discuss with you part 5 of profit and loss. So without delay, let us start. Well dear, first question say कि a dealer sold a camera. A dealer sold a camera for rupees 1080, gaining 1 by 8 of its cost price. Find the cost price of the camera. And second one is find the gain percent earned by the dealer. Okay dear, first of all here CPU of camera is given rupees 1080 and let the CP be rupees X because we have to find out cost price of the camera. So let the cost price of camera be X. Then gain equal to, according to question say, gain equal to 1 by 8 of cost price. So 1 by 8 of means multiply and rupees X because we let the cost price be X. Then it becomes X1 ja X by 8 rupees. Okay. After that we know formula कि gain equal to SP minus CP. So we have already gain in the term of X by 8 and SP equal to 1080 rupees minus cost price is your X. Okay, then after solve for X just like a linear equation in one variable. So this minus X come to this side, then plus X. So X plus X by 8 equal to 1080. Taking LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. This 8 divided by 1, then we get 8 into X. The 8X plus 8 divided by 8, then we go to 1 and 1 multiply with S, it becomes X equal to 1080. So now it becomes 8X plus X equal to 9X. This 8 come to this side in multiply because in this side it is in divide. Okay, now X equal to 9 with multiply with X, then come to this side in divide. So from the table of 9 it is cancelled out from 12 0. 12 times में 12 9 जा 108 and this 0 is put here, this 0. So 12 into 8, 12 9 जा 12 add जा 96 and then this is 0. So X equal to 960, it means कि CP equal to 960. So this is your answer of CP. Okay, after that we have to find second one कि find gain percent or earned by the dealer. Okay dear, then gain equal to SP minus CP. So your SP is 1080 rupees and CP is 960. Subtraction of these two becomes rupees 120. Okay, and gain percent equal to, we know formula, gain by CP into 100%. So your gain is 120 rupees and cost price is 960 rupees into 100%. First of all, this 0 to 0 cancel out. From the table of 12 it is cancelled out from 8 times, and after that from the table of 4 it is cancelled out from 2 times, and from the table of 4 it is cancelled out from 25 times. So now it becomes 25 by 2% and miss fraction 12 upon 1 by 2%. This is your gain percent. Now dear, second one, if the selling price of an air conditioner AC is equal to 1 upon 1 by 3 of its cost price, to find the gain percent. Okay, so in this case CP unknown values and SP is also unknown, but the relation between SP and CP is given. What? The SP of an AC is equal to 1 upon 1 by 3 of its CP. So let the CP of an AC be rupees X. So then SP equal to, this is CP, CP be X. Then SP of an AC equal to 1 upon 1 by 3 of CP. So putting value of CP X, and this one 3 1 ja 3 plus 1. Miss fraction change into improper, so it becomes 4 by 3 into rupees X. So now it becomes rupees 4X by 3. So clearly we have to find out gain percent. The SP is greater than CP. The gain equal to SP minus CP. Now putting the value of SP is 4X by 3 and CP is X. Taking LCM because we have 1. Here is 1. So LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So 3 to 3 cancel out. then we have 1, 1 multiply with 4x, it is 4x, and this 3 divided by 1, then 3 into 1, 3x. The subtraction of these two becomes x by 3. Now find gain percent. So gain percent equal to gain by Cp into 100. We know this percent formula. So now putting the value of gain is rupees x by 3 in term of x, and cost price is rupees x. First of all, rupees to rupees cancel out, and this is 100%. Okay, taking the reciprocal of this denominator, we know here we have 1. Okay, so x by 3 into reciprocal of x by 1 becomes 1 by x. X to x cancel out first of all, then it becomes 100 by 3%. So in Miss fraction, 100 by 3 becomes 33 upon 1 by 3%. Now dear, third one question say कि a radio is sold for rupees 3120 at a loss of 4%. What will be the gain or loss percent if it is sold for rupees 3445? So it is simple that कि first of all radio sold at rupees 3120 at a loss of 4%. It means कि जब रेडियो को 3120 रुपीज़ में सोल्ड किया गया तब उससे 4% का लॉस हो रहा था. तो कहना ये है कि बताइए कि हमें गेन होगा कि लॉस परसेंट होगा जब उसी रेडियो को 3445 में सोल्ड करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर डियर? नाउ फर्स्ट केस में एसपी ऑफ रेडियो इज गिवन रुपीज 3120 एंड योर लॉस परसेंट इज 4% गिवन. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड आउट सीपी ऑफ दिस रेडियो. तो सीपी वी नो फार्मूला इन केस ऑफ लॉस परसेंट. Okay, so Cp equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent always come with minus sign, and Cp means score. As a denominator we write gain percent or loss percent. Okay, so loss percent in minus into Sp. Now putting the value 100 by 100 minus 4 into rupees 3120. So subtraction of these two becomes 96. So first of all, from the table of 4, listen to me, from the table of 4 this 96 cancel out from 24 times, and this 3120 is cancel out from 780. Okay, again from the table of 4 it is cancelled out from 6 times, and from the table of 4 it is cancelled out from 195. After that from the table of 3 it is cancelled out from 2 times, and it is cancelled out from 65 times. Okay, after that from the table of 2 it is cancelled out from 50 times. Okay, now this 50 multiply with 65, so it becomes rupees 3250. When 50 multiply with 65, then it becomes 3250. This is your CP. Okay, now in second hand SP is 3445. Okay, so clearly this is gain equal to SP minus CP. So rupees 3445 minus 3250, it becomes 195. But we have to find gain or loss percent. The here is clearly gain equal to 195. So now use formula gain percent equal to gain by CP into 100%. Putting the value, gain is rupees 195 and cost price is not this one 3250 is your cost price. So now putting rupees 3250. Okay, so first of all this 0 to 0 cancel out. From the table of 5 it cuts from 2 times, and it cuts from 65 times. From the table of 65 it is cancelled out from 3 times. Okay, 3 to the 6%, rupees to rupees cancel. This is your final answer. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.